So hello friends, so welcome back to our channel again. So today we'll be going to look at how to choose the stock for the next day's trading for the intraday purpose. Okay, so means like this analysis you have to do after the market closes. Means like the EOD you should do the analysis to choose the stock for the next day. Okay, so for that purpose we should go into that NSE India. Okay, so click search for the NSE India one and click on the first link over here. So okay, so after clicking on this, okay, so here this is the home page of the NSE website. So after that, so hover against this above this live market, and so here you can see the live analysis, right? So you just click on this top 10 gainers and losers. Okay, so here you can see, so these are all the top 10 gainers of this Nifty 50 today. So even though you can see that Nifty have fall like around 2.57% today, so against this Nifty, so there is even the 10 stocks which have been gained, and you can see this Infratel which have gained around like 5%, Hero MotoCorp which gained around 3%, Zeal gains 3%. Okay, so these are all the stock which have something good news, so that even the Nifty falls for 2.5%, these stock have been moving towards a higher. Okay, so you can choose top 3 stocks of this for the tomorrow's next day's trading. Okay, so again you choose the top 3 stocks from the losers as well. So here you can see this is falling, this has been falling along with the Nifty. Okay, so this is having a good correlation with the Nifty index. Okay, so whenever the Nifty is falling, so this stock also will be falling the based on the Nifty. Okay, so these stocks you can take for the next day's trading. Okay, so also we have something called the most active securities and contracts. Okay, so here you can see this, so these are all the stocks which have been traded, means like which are most active for this today's trading day based on this value. Okay, so you can see Reliance have been traded for 3,31,000 for 31 lakh 3.31 lakh have been traded today as a value, and you can choose these stocks. And if you look at the volume, so these are all the stocks which have a more traded quantity today based on the volumes. Okay, but you can see these stocks are not having a very good price. Okay, so you should always select the prices which is having at least above the 100 rupees, so that you cannot get trapped by any promoters or someone else like any HNI persons. Okay, so based on this methods you can choose the stock for the next trading sessions. Okay, so whenever so let's say tomorrow if the stock have been opening a green, so you can see this top gainers, right? Even though the Nifty have fallen 2.5%, these stocks have been having a very good up movement. Okay, so if the Nifty opens green tomorrow, you can choose these 3 stocks, top 3 stocks as a towards the long position. So make sure that like these 3 stocks have been fulfilling your intraday strategies to go on long. Okay, so based on this strategies you can find choose a stock for the next trading day. Okay, so make sure, I will repeat the steps again. Log in means like search for the NSE India one, and after that click on the live market and go to this live analysis and choose the stock based on the top gainers, or using this most active securities, or also you can choose for the new 52-week higher low, or volume gainers, or OI sports. Okay, if you look at the OI sports, which means that there is some here you can see the change in the OI. Based on this, if let's say there is an increase in OI and also increase in the price, which means that more traders are going long in a particular stock. Okay, so which means that more long position have been created, so you can look for the buying position by the next day. Or if there is a huge fall in the OI, then you can choose look for the selling positions for the next day. Okay, so these are all the few strategies which is used for selecting the stock for the next trading session. Okay, so thanks for watching. So hope this video has been useful for you guys. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks.